going to be a makeup tutorial with this look right here. As you can see, I used pretty much 5 pounds of glitter. It's okay. I wasn't expecting to use this much glitter, but you know what? I feel like I just had the need to use this much glitter, so this is how this look turned out. I'm just gonna make this quick because I do have a plane to catch, but this is the finished look. This is about to be a tutorial, so if you want to see how to achieve this look right here, then keep on watching. You know I love you guys because I'm sitting here and I have to be at the airport in 3 hours and I'm about to film a makeup tutorial. Actually, real quick, I think I'm going to do my brows and my eyeshadow base off camera. Super quick because I do this in pretty much every single video and I think it gets a little bit redundant. So sit tight, hold on, and I'll be back in like 2 seconds. I am back. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? That was me trying to be very stupid. Okay, so I'm going to be using this little baby, my little controversial baby if you saw my 2017 favorites, which I will link either in this video or down below, or you can check out my channel. But I'm going to be using so many choices. You know what? I think I haven't used enough of this color called Mercury. I can't speak. This color right here, so I'm going to just apply it to my crease. And oh yeah, that was a lot. With this palette you have to be like very careful. You have to take a little bit at a time because otherwise you will end up with this. But to fix this, I'm going to be taking Dawn, which is this color right here, and I'm just using this to help blend out that shade. So just because you have like a very powdery eyeshadow does not mean you have to freak out about it, you know? Just work with it, you know, and it will succeed. So there we go. You might be wondering where I'm going. I'm going to Washington, D.C. to be with family for Christmas, and it's my dad's side of the family, and I'm very excited. I haven't seen them since the summer, and I'm really excited because like he hasn't seen them for ages, and we went in the summer, but he wasn't able to go. So now we're going together, and we're going to be spending Christmas there, and I might film a vlog. I did film a vlog when I was there before in the summer, but I filmed a lot of the footage on my phone, and then my phone stops working. It stopped working like right in the middle of our trip. So when I came back, I was so just like fed up with like trying to get it to work and trying to look online and just trying to see what was going on, that I just did not feel like trying to go into any like large effort to extract all the data from that phone. Plus by then it had been a while since I filmed, and I was like, okay, I don't even have any motivation to try and get this data out and try and edit these vlogs that I filmed. But that's what happened to the vlogs. If you saw my travel makeup back video that I filmed in New York on that trip, then I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna put up vlogs. That didn't happen because the footage that I had was like just gone. So yeah, but I might be filming a vlog or vlogs when I go this time. I might. I don't know if that will happen or not. So I'm taking like this fluffy brush. This actually came in a Smashbox palette that I got. That's what it looks like. It has like all these really fluffy bristles. I don't know if it's synthetic or natural. I think it's synthetic. But I'm going to be taking All Star, which is this color right here. And this is going on my lid like so. I'm actually concentrating the color more on the outer edge of my eye, you can see right here, but I'm sort of fluffing it into my inner corner as well, so it's a little bit lesser in my inner corner as in my outer corner, you can see. So I'm just going to try and roll with that for the other eye as well. I'm going to take a smaller, more detailed, tighter brush. This one is the Morphe E17. So as you can see with this brush, it's a little bit more tight, more dense, and this is, I feel, a really good brush for doing some detail work in my crease. So that's why I'm taking the same color All Star, just taking a little bit of it and tapping off the excess. And this is going like right into that inner corner, because I didn't really want to mess with my inner corner with such like a big fluffy brush like this. This is ideal for packing on like the outer corner. However, when I want to go in with a little bit more detail, when I want to make sure the color placement is a little bit more correct, I guess, then I kind of just wanted to go in with this tighter brush. Of course, I could use this brush, it is possible, but I just don't feel as comfortable. I'm going to do the rest of my face real quickly. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is it right here. And I'm going to be using this all over my face. So with this foundation, I actually had a little bit of a scare with it just before Thanksgiving because I was breaking out so much. If you watch any of the videos I filmed during that period, maybe, I think I put them up maybe after Thanksgiving because of course I had to edit them and all that. But those videos, you can see that in my tutorials, my skin was really, really bad. It was terrible. And honestly, like I did not know what was going on. I was a little bit nervous because I felt like something that I was using was breaking my skin out. Now I feel like it was because I was eating a lot of dairy, which is not the best for your skin, of course. At the time, I was really worried that it was the foundation that was causing my breakouts because I had heard a little bit of people talking about how the Fenty Beauty foundation was breaking them out, and I'm like, oh my god, this is the first foundation that I can consistently use every single day and not have any problems with besides this. So if it's breaking me out, then I'm really upset. So like for a minute, like I was kind of scared, but it's not breaking me out. I discovered that as soon as I changed my diet and I stopped eating as much dairy, my skin went back to what it normally is, which is not perfect, but a lot better than it was. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. But I didn't really want to mention it in a video until I was sure what was going on because I didn't want to be like, oh yeah, this foundation's breaking me out when it wasn't, and it wasn't. So yeah, that's me telling you right there. I had a little bit of a scare, but it's all back to normal. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my under eye real quickly. So for that, I need another brush. This is the Morphe M506. I know I'm focusing a lot on brushes in this video. I just wanted to show you what brushes I was using because I wanted to make it easy for you to replicate this look and not have a lot of issues. So that's why I'm showing you this brush right here. Okay, it's focusing on my hand. It's a little bit more fluffy. So I'm using this to pick up All Star, which is that color that we were using pretty much for this entire video. And this is going into my lower lash line space. Okay, now I'm going to try taking electric with my finger and just popping this into my inner corner and seeing what happens. That does look quite interesting. I want to try something a little bit different that I really haven't done before. Well, not really, but like this is the Urban Decay glitter eyeliner, heavy metal glitter eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. With this, I want to see if I can do something that I've seen on Instagram a lot lately, and that is basically to draw a line of glitter. Oh god, my hands are so unsteady. Shoot! Oh god, I think I just screwed that up. It is very difficult to do this when you have pretty much some of the most unsteady hands in the entire universe. So, hold up, let's see if I can fix this. Changing the course of action. This is going all over my lid. Not a fan of that either, but that is better than what I just had going on there. And this is why I call these makeup tutorials questionable makeup tutorials, because that is really what they are. Okay, now that I've applied a lot more glitter, I feel like that just fixed everything. So when in doubt, my friends, when in doubt, when you're like, oh my god, what have I just done to myself? Apply glitter. It will help you out enormously. Okay, so for the rest of my face, I want to switch things up a bit, and instead of using my usual bronzer that you've seen a lot, I'm going to try and use the oldie but a goodie Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This one right here. I haven't used this in ages, and it is so good. So I'm using this center color right here, and this is going to be to contour my face. I feel like if I got this up before New Year's, like this would be the perfect New Year's makeup look, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that, so you know what? This video, I feel like, proves that you can pretty much apply glitter in your everyday life. I mean, seriously, I'm considering going to the TSA agent with this full face of glitter and being like, frisk me. But let's just be honest, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to go on the plane with like eyelashes and a glitter on my face, because let's just be honest, I am not that high maintenance. I'm sorry, I'm not. So sadly, when this video is over, this makeup is coming off, but you know what? You guys can enjoy it while it lasts. I'm going to try and put on this glitter right here. This is the Revlon Photoready IR, and I'll put the name of this down below. But what happens if I put this on as well? We'll see. Okay, by the end of this, my eyelids will be completely just done with life. You know what this reminds me of? A holiday makeup look. And when this goes up, it will not even be the holidays. It will be past the holidays, so So that's really nice of you, Anya. Thank you so much for doing that. I'm just skipping around in this video. I'm not even going in any particular order right now. Mascara. So this is a sleek highlighting palette that everyone's been crazy for, bananas. And I'm gonna use it again. I've used it before in previous videos, but I haven't used it in a while, so here's me trying to give a little bit of a throwback. It's a really good palette, by the way. I'm mixing these two colors if you haven't noticed. For lashes, I'm using these ones. These are the Allura Lights from House of Lashes. I've actually really fallen in love with these. These are quite beautiful. This is what they look like. I don't know why I'm not prepared, because like every video I have to get up and go to my makeup collection and get something, but this lip liner that I'm using today is from Rimmel and it's in the shade Enchanted. I just grabbed the first lip liner I could, but this lipstick is in the shade Nudie Patootie and it's from Wet n Wild. I wanted to kind of try and rosy it up and use the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Mocha, I believe. Yeah, I like that a whole lot better. Now I'm using this Jouer lip color in the shade Skinny Dip. This is like a super reflective lip topper. So yeah, I mean, that is pretty much the end of this look. I'm actually very satisfied with how it looked. I used it to a lot of glitter, which I'm very happy about. So I have to catch a plane now. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, week, month, new year, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.